Okay, ready, Marsha? All right, Marsha and I, ready, sit, down. We're gonna do our best to keep this video at about like 2-3 minutes, okay? So when we're learning pedicure please, the first step is we use a lure. So we're just gonna grab the treats and we're gonna pinch them in our hand and make kind of like a teepee. So if they try to steal them, we're just gonna close our hand. If they nibble at our hand, we just close it. We're gonna lure them around. If she nibbles, I just pause and freeze. There we go. And we take her around to the back shoulder and then down over here. Once we're here, we say cook, and we can give her one for laying in this position. And then I'll typically set the treats down, okay? Now we have it's your choice. Cook, cook. Now as she stays here, this is when I can start touching her paws. There you go. And it's just a fun little game of you try to take my treats, I cover the treats. But you have to stay down. Thank you, as I touch your patas. Huh. Thank you. Cook. Chop. Cook. Great. Now to practice this position more, you say search. You toss some treats away. And then you have to come back. Bump. Good. Bump. Good. Sit. Down. My treats. Treats can stay on the ground. I'm going to say pedicure please. We can lure them into this position. If she goes to bite my hand, I just freeze. Oh, you want to go that side? Okay. Some dogs have a favorite side they go to. It's okay to cater to them at first. Cook. But we do want to practice both sides. So as we get this one we can bring out the Dremel. At first when I use the Dremel, I'm just gonna not turn it on. I'm just gonna practice touching their paws. Cook. Cook. And then we can practice turning it on. And then give them a treat. Cook. Cook. Good. Practice turning it on, turning it off. Cook. And you could stay at that step. We stayed at that step for like 3 days or so before we started moving to actually trimming her nails. Cook. Again, we can set some of the food down. And as we practice that and they get more comfortable, that's when we can start breaking this out. If she pulls away, we can let her pull away. But that also stops the game. Good. Cook. And we're just associating cook great things to this. Cook. And so as we play, we're just going to keep working on duration and how long we can Dremel for. Cook. This game is to help you and your dog get more connected as well. You can work on just starting with puppy massages. You can check their ears out. You can look at their teeth. There's all sorts of things you can do from this position. So it's just important that our dog just enjoys this. Okay, ready, steady, search. So there you have it. If our dog starts nibbling at us when we start breaking this down over here, I just freeze, right? And it's just a game of it's your choice. They realize they're not gonna get the treats and then they offer the behavior we want. So I bring them down, cook, and then I play a little mini game of it's your choice here. If they try to take it, I cover, uncover, cook. All right, that should help. I'll see you soon. Ready? Search.